Installation and usage tutorial for household freeze-drying machines. Import vacuum pump oil. The oil rises to the middle position of the observation port. Connect the vacuum pump to the main engine with a clamp. Insert the power plug of the vacuum pump into the freeze-drying machine. Connect the hose plug to the power supply. Tighten the intake valve clockwise. Insert the temperature probe into the material. Close the warehouse. The door handle must be twisted into a vertical shape. Power on. Select English mode. Click on the recipe. Select the vacuum pump to activate the curved section. The default is the second section. Click OK. Set temperature. Set time. Set the lower and upper vacuum limits. By analogy, set up sections 2, 3, and 4. The machine will not run in sections that are not set. Click Save and Apply. Click Control. Turn on the refrigerator. Turn on automatic operation. Click Run. You can observe the temperature and vacuum of the cold well. The temperature and vacuum degree can be observed to decrease rapidly. Click on the curve. You can observe the temperature curve. Insert the USB drive. Click on the data. Click on Data Export. Set time period. Click on USB Export. You can copy the data to a USB drive. Waiting for freeze drying. After freeze drying, click on Control. Turn off the automatic operation and the refrigerator. Unscrew the intake valve counterclockwise. Open the warehouse door and take out the materials. Turn on the automatic frost function. Wait for the defrosting to end. Complete the tutorial demonstration for installing and using household freeze-drying machines.